like I'm getting better.
Oh, no. Wait. What's up, good people? We are back with a new episode of Lazy Chef, and today we will be making a chocolate mousse. Easy to make, really tasty, and yeah, pretty straightforward. Let's get straight to it. So we will start by combining all-purpose flour. You will need a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons, this is corn flour, 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons give or take, and cocoa powder. I'm gonna mix that up real quick. Pinch of salt, just a pinch. Sugar. I forgot the sugar. Can you do the click thing and I'm back? I'll be right back with the sugar. 2 cups of sugar. Yes, 2 cups. And now we are going to pop it into our souffle real quick, and we're going to cook it. By the way, I meant 2 half cups. It's a half cup of sugar. I'm not trying to kill anyone with diabetes. I'm just saying, if you don't like sugar that much, you can use just the half cup. But if you're more of a sugary person, you can use 2 cup. You can use 1 cup, so 2 halves. So let's get to it. Why? Why, people? Why? Wind. Trying to make me look bad out here in the streets. Pour that in. Mix it up. Oh, this wind. Just going to mix that up real quick. This is 500 ml milk. We're just going to pour it in slowly as we're mixing so that it doesn't stick. Just like sew it down. We need the sugar to completely melt in, guys, so put in the milk slowly as you're mixing. Also, the quantities, yeah? Depending on how much you're making, you will just double or reduce the ingredients as needed. So just going to keep mixing this in. The end goal is to have it thick and creamy, hopefully. I'm just gonna reduce the heat real quick. Need the why do I keep saying? Anyway, the consistency to be the same or almost the same, and then you can use either Nutella or a chocolate spread of your choosing. So we're just going to put that in real quick. Use around 3 tablespoons of this. A bit of cream, yeah, just like 2-ish teaspoons. Just mix it all up. You need the chocolate to actually melt because it hasn't melted yet. So it's supposed to melt all in. I usually just go a step further and break like actual chocolate inside to give it that more chocolatey, gooey thing going on. So this part isn't a must, but you can if you want to. It's supposed to start thickening a bit, yeah? But you need to let it boil for a bit. Not boil, but like heat for a bit. And as it's boiling, it gets thicker and thicker. If you feel like your consistency isn't thick enough, just add a bit of corn flour and a bit of chocolate. It should make it thick. And then, yeah, you just pop it out and put it in the freezer for around 10 minutes and you're good. We've just taken it out of the fridge. I put it in there for around 5-10 minutes after we removed it from the fire. And then I added in some chocolate chips just to change the texture and stuff. It's not a must, guys, but if you like chocolate, add in some chocolate chips at the end. It's supposed to be thick and creamy and gooey, and you can have it with cake or by itself, and it's just amazing. So that is our episode for today. I am the Lazy Chef, and I will see you next time. Is it rolling? Like, guys, I have just tasted this. My God. I mean, my God. Yes. Anyway, bye. But yes.